In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect QuickBooks Online with eBay. If you sell on eBay and manage your books in QuickBooks Online, connecting the two can save you time, reduce manual entry, and keep your sales, fees, and taxes organized. Start in QuickBooks Online and use the search or navigation at the top to look for My Integrations. Then click it. This area is your hub for managing connections between QuickBooks and third-party apps. It's where you'll find tools that can move your eBay data into QuickBooks in a structured, reliable way. From there, go to the Find Integrations tab. Think of this as the app marketplace inside QuickBooks. It's where you discover available connectors. Once you're in that tab, search for eBay. You'll see a list of integrations that can connect your eBay transactions to QuickBooks Online. Some apps focus on basic sales syncing, while others include extra capabilities like mapping fees, importing refunds, syncing taxes, and handling payouts and inventory. As you browse, pay attention to compatibility notes, supported regions, and whether the connector supports your specific eBay workflows. Click on any option to open its details page. This is where you can evaluate the fit for your business. Review the overview to understand what data it brings in, how frequently it syncs, and how it categorizes transactions in QuickBooks. Check the pricing and trial information. Read user reviews, and look at screenshots or setup guides. It's also helpful to confirm how the app handles common eBay scenarios, like final value fees, shipping charges, discounts, sales tax, refunds, and multi-currency or multi-store setups if those apply to you. Many listings also include a section about permissions and data access, so you know exactly what you're granting. If the app aligns with what you need, click the Get App Now button at the top right to begin the authentication and connection process. You'll be guided by on-screen prompts. Typically, that includes granting permission for the app to access your QuickBooks company and allowing it to connect to your eBay account so it can read your orders and related data. During this guided flow, you may also be presented with configuration choices, like which accounts or tax settings to use when the data comes into QuickBooks. Take a moment to review those options so your categories and reports stay clean. And that's all. To recap, you'll open My Integrations, go to Find Integrations, search for eBay, review an app's details, and use Get App Now to begin the connection. Once you're connected, keep an eye on your first few synced transactions to make sure everything lands where you expect. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a QuickBooks tip. Happy selling!